Right folks, welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you here. To the Classic Show. Yeah, the Classic Show, although I don't know if that name really worked because what we've discovered lately, much to Stephen's sadness, the whole channel is seems to be all Land Rover people.
Yeah, well, we need more than Land Rover as well. We have boats, we have Mercedes.
Which no one watches.
Nobody watched it. It was a bad video. It wasn't that interesting. It was kind of an afterthought. Right, so we're heading out now to pick up the trailer actually. Isn't that a bit?
Yeah, we're going to pick up the trailer because we have to move Stephen's Range Rover Classic into a shed for the summer because the boat
not for the summer. Well, it's going to stay in there indefinitely until I restore it.
We're actually here and we're in the Range Rover 3.6 TDV8.
And it's actually working.
Which is working.
You see it's moving.
Working very well. There's two red lights on. One of them is a brake pad needs done, and so the wear sensor on that, and then the other one is an airbag light. Is that all right?
Raise it up.
Won't go high enough. Now. Just a little lower down there.
All the way.
Just going down. Pull that up. Back a wee bit.
Socket set there.
Socket set?
Yeah, for the trailer.
There's one in the boot. Ah, there we go. Could they empty all this and get rid of this? My old Christmas tree. We're in June and it's still here. We'll take this with us as well. Empty all this off, and then we'll have to put the Range Rover Classic on this trailer and then move it. Oh, don't leave it like that, Stephen, because it'll only all get lost. That's Stephen, he didn't keep it together.
No, it's all in the yellow box.
It used to be a full set in a box.
You can see the yellow box later.
There it is. Put that Christmas tree on as well.
Oh, the Christmas tree.
Put it on as well.
Jesus, it's nearly summer.
It is summer.
No. Well, it's spring, isn't it?
Do you know, that was a really nice Christmas tree too.
That's what it was. There we go. The recording.
Yeah.
So this battery is completely shot. And this alternator has a bad belt, so it's not charging the battery. So the only way this to run is hook up the booster pack and leave it connected. And we'll put it here.
I think it's worth pointing out, we actually emptied the trailer and we didn't actually get it recorded, but there it is over there. It's not really focusing for us, but yeah, we'll leave it zoomed out. I know there's a few of you looking for Range Rover Classic videos, and this does need work, as you know.
Now, let's see if it starts.
Huh?
Do you want to see if it starts?
Ready?
Where's your boots? The drive.
Drive it.
And all the interior is out of it.
Do you want to disconnect this?
No, it can't. Turn off.
Will it? It'll be V8 Burble. Okay. You can't put the window down. You're too far on that side, look. These look small, will they? Will that move, will it? With the handbrake. Just get my sockets out. It's going to run out of... Really quick. You can see there, that's the old spring we took off the GTV8. And there's my set. That's the set that I said Stephen lost all the bits of. Yeah, well that's what it is. She's fairly rough inside now. There's a lot of rust in this. I don't know what the story is. Getting it fixed. Is it? That was loose. Now. Okay, so Steve, are you going to restore this?
Yes.
I don't know, it's a lot of rust on this.
Yeah, it's not much. It actually is, but I mean, all the parts are available, so you just weld in the new, so it's grand.
Yeah, are you disconnecting that now, are you? Yeah, don't leave it there.
There is, so it's not actually as bad as you think. And they're going up in value, so it can sit in the shed for 10 years. That's worth more.
Yeah. Right folks, Range Rover's on the back and we're about to drive out the road and Stephen's driving behind me just to make sure everything goes okay. This is actually my first time. I towed with this TDV8 when we got this Range Rover, but at the time it kept cutting power because there was actually a crack in the manifold, and now there is no crack in the manifold, so this is my first proper tow with this one. So as they say, it's all to play for. Don't mind that, it's a suspension fault, but it's not really a suspension fault. I just have a Discovery 3 suspension ECU in it, and for some reason that causes the error. So, let's see what happens. It's worth pointing out, Stephen actually wants to go and do a review on the Range Rover 3.6, which I think he'll be doing pretty soon. So you'll look forward to that. But slow down the vehicle lower, let's slow it down. Let's keep going. So we actually have a really big hill to go up coming out of town, and that is going to be the interesting one. That is where, if it does cut power, it is going to cut power. I'm not going to floor it. I'm just going to take it up nice and gentle. I can show you the hill actually, but I can't. But we're on the hill, and I'm accelerating. 30 mile an hour. But you know, she's pulling really nicely. And we're actually at 50. That was nicely done. I must say, I'm very impressed. And we're up, no drama, plenty power, absolutely perfect. I could have went faster, but it's not about being fast with a trailer, we have to take our time. It's just about getting there without an EGR or engine system fault. I think you're fixed, Range Rover. Touch wood. So I actually want to talk a little bit as well about the channel. So I don't know what you guys want. I've been telling Stephen that this channel should be more primarily about Land Rovers, because I think that's what people want. Stephen's kind of like, oh no, do a bit of Mercedes, do a bit of all these other things. But folks, down in the comments, let us know. Do you prefer Land Rovers, or are you here for Mercedes? Or are you here for boats, or what are you here for? Let us know. Comment and do let us know, because I hope it's more Land Rover, because actually I just really love doing the Land Rover stuff, and I want to do more of that. Oh, and do you know, actually I have an idea. If you guys have something that you want us to, I suppose, a video you want us to make, let us know as well in the comments, because I think, like I said, we're learning this, we're figuring out what's best, what works, and we need you guys with us. You're the community, all at the moment 250 of you, or 260, sorry, that have subscribed. Thank you. And you know, if some other people are here watching, please subscribe. That's one of the best ways you can help us at the moment, and we want to get up to about 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to come along the journey, figure out what we do, hit that subscribe button. Oh. So this is where the Range Rover is going to be sitting. Nice and sheltered in here. This side, apart from the hole at the back. Where's the hole? Where the skylight hole goes. Oh right, well then, but that's getting repaired. Right. So the boat is coming out for the summer. Very good. And the Range Rover is going in. Okay, straight back. You're fine. Keep going, the angle. Okay, Stephen. How much? That much. Okay, straight back. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep going. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, up. This is a great thing with air spin. You lower it. Oh, you have a jockey gun. I have a jockey gun, yeah. I was going to use the Gap IID tool, and but there's no need when I have a jockey gun. I was going to raise it more. Now just make sure to tighten it a bit more behind. But it is. Alright, go for it. Sorry, you stick this. Oh, I won't move. I don't want it too tight, because it's really hard to get off. But you wanted it loose on the road? I won't loosen on the road. Are you sure? Yeah. You just have to pull on, don't you? Low range? Whoa, 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 reverse. What's it? Reverse. Whoa, whoa. Battery's low, but all is well. All is well. Right, let's get this off. Battery booster for 1 second. I don't think so, so leave it off, because you don't want to run out of water. Well, I want to see if a bigger battery is better for that boat for turning it over faster. Alright, we're going to get it. That's right with me. I don't want to put it on. It doesn't do that when you're on the water. It doesn't do that when you're on the water, doesn't it? Right. So you reckon it's even a bigger battery? The answer here. Yeah, a bigger battery. The guy just picked whatever battery was lying around. It's not really the way you're supposed to do it. No. Huh? This does really need restored. Well, time. All the years in the world. Oh, shit, huh? Push the thing there. Where now? Down, Peter. Which way? That. What you're kicking out. There we go. Ah, yeah. That's a great idea. He can learn a few things when you teach him. Oh yeah. Oh. Well, that's just the right way of doing it. There we go. It works. Some people say not to stop them with the wheels, but I don't know. It's alright. Well, especially for like a short turn anyways. Ah, look. It's not too much. It's only pulling them down really. Look, I think these will need a bit more work before they see a lot of road. It is through. What? No. No, for this. If you want to hold this, Peter. Alright. Here we go. Did you have a professional to that, Ringo?
Yeah.
What?
The pump.
3 litres in it the other day.
No,
What's in it?
because it was out of petrol. That's honestly all. When I say it's low on petrol, I mean it's low on petrol. The V8 doesn't takes more than
Right.
takes more than 3 litres.
There we go. Yeah, it does.
Peter, I find it hard to get out of there now.
You won't. Get her down and then we'll pump the straps or ramps and she'll be away.
No.
You go up against it?
Might want to lower the bonnet, will you?
Or you do that?
Yeah, it's over your side.
What do you mean?
What are you thinking? Look. Oh, sorry. Down.
Right, then just reverse back. How's the reversing light? It has a reversing light. It's just straight back, it's fine.
Well,
Whoa. It's not on right.
I'll go straight back to that. It's a Range Rover.
Ah, I said to you it wasn't on like that.
Even if it fell, what would happen?
Probably not much.
Maybe if I go back.
Keep going. You can go back a lot more, whoa.
Damn it, the fuck's my Range Rover?
No. Do you want to... Okay, whoa. Mark, do you want to reverse it in there?
No, we're fine, but reversing, yes. Mark will shoot. We're Mark.
Whoa. A little bit off-road there.
The Mark will piece of machinery.
I mean, it's 3 litres of petrol.
You can contact the program via email.
A working radio.
lyricfm@rte.ie.
But the only thing that really works, is it? Tuning? Oh yeah, well. Bit of dance.
Better turn it off, a bit of copyright.
No tow bar either. Rare. You're fine over here. Fine now on this side. Happy? I'll turn out. Turn off the battery there now. You really should shouldn't leave this for years tonight. Try and get it done now soon.
Oh, I know, yeah, I will.
It'd be nice to have even something done on it, some progress.
I did. I had moved it here.
I know, but turn out.
I turn out. I think.
We'll probably sign off today's video.
Yeah, and indeed. I hope you enjoyed. Not much really happened in the video, but a bit of moving.
Moving stuff around.
Things. A lot of stuff happening.
Like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, like and subscribe. That's really important. Okay. Cheers. Bye bye.